Good morning, dear students. How are you all doing? I know this period of lockdown is really making it difficult for all of you staying back at home. But today, we're going to learn a very interesting chapter. I know we have been in the house for a long time now, but there was a time that we would go out, move around. So, we are going to learn today about a very interesting chapter on, let's guess what it's about. So I will show you certain pictures and I want you all to identify these places and let me know where they are. Look at this picture. Yeah, very good. That's the right answer. It's the pyramids in Egypt. Very good. You have another picture coming up. Okay, I can hear those answers. Yes, those prompts. Yes. Wow, that's nice. Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Wonderful. You seem to have been moving around a lot. Yes. Okay, yeah, very nice. Yes, 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 Sheetal. Over to you for the answer. Okay, yes, Statue of Liberty, New York. And here comes this picture. Yes, very good. Wow, wonderful. Taj Mahal, India, Agra. Wonderful. That's a wonderful set of answers. I'm sure you all have, some of you have been there. I'm sure we all wish to be there very soon and wait this pandemic to come out. So these pictures are about of certain places that we have seen. So today we are going to learn about places and moving around in places and the different types of places that you can visit in the chapter tourism. Oh, I can hear you all talking. Wow. So you all are excited on moving around and going to places. That's wonderful. So can you all tell me which are the places that you all have visited? Yes? Oh, you went to Dubai. So you had been to the Burj Khalifa. Did you go to the top? Wonderful. It would have been a wonderful experience. I too visited and I went to the top and I had an amazing experience of looking around the things. Wonderful. Yes, so you have been to Dubai, you have been to Burj, very nice. So you recollected the picture very soon. Yes. Oh, wow. You went to Kerala. Oh, backwaters. Wonderful. Yes. You went to Singapore. Wonderful. Good. So you all have been moving around places. Wonderful. So what do you understand by tourism? You can say in your own words. Moving around places, going out for vacations. Yeah, very nice. I'm getting bits and bits of answers here and there. Oh, wonderful. Yes. You also seem to have seen new things, new places. Yes. So we'll see what is the meaning of the word tourism through this definition. So tourism is visiting various places away from our homes for getting joy, for trading, for entertainment, staying, etc. So yes, so tourism is about moving around places for joy, for enjoyment, for entertainment, for stay. Yes, we all have been apart somewhere and we have all moved around and stayed in various places near and far. So either the distances are very near or we must have traveled for a few days and we must have stayed there for some time, visited places and looked around. Wonderful. That's a wonderful answer. So when today now we are talking about a person, a family called Raju, and their family is planning for a vacation. Now they have decided they need to go for a vacation. It's a long time. They are also bored sitting at home. They want to go for a vacation, and now they have decided to come up with a destination. They all have different ideas in mind, and Raju has told his family members, You all do a good Google search, do a find out, and then let me know where do we go for, decide where do we go for vacation. So Raju has taken up this initiative. Raju wants to go to a historical place, whereas his wife wants to go to a hilly area. And the kids, they just want to go to an amusement park. So these were certain suggestions that had come from Raju's family, and now they are going to decide where they would like to go for vacation. So Raju is given some options. Where is the Ajanta Caves? Where is the Ajanta Caves located? Yes, wonderful. Yes, you can. Yes, tell me. Yeah. Oh, okay. The correct answer is Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Good. That's a nice answer. So the Ajanta Caves is located in Aurangabad in Maharashtra. This was the suggestion given by Raju. Since his wife told she wants to visit a hilly area, now she's come up with a suggestion. That is, where is the Kempty Falls? How many of you have heard the word Kempty Falls or the place Kempty Falls? Where is the Kempty Falls? Yes. Oh, wow. Mussoorie. Very good. Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. So the Kempty Falls is in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. Nice. Good. Now the kids had an idea in mind to go to an amusement park. Where is the amusement park or where is the Disneyland in USA? Yeah, there are many Disneyland, but where is the Disneyland in United States of America? Good, very good answer. It's in Florida. So these were the suggestions that they had got up, and now they wanted to decide where they're going to go. So now, thinking about the two options that we have, one is the Ajanta caves in Maharashtra and Kempty Falls in Uttarakhand. Tell me, what is the difference in the distance between these places? Yes? Yeah. Oh, very good. So they are both these both places are in the same country, are in India, but they are in different states. Wonderful answer. Yes. So based on this, now we will see what do we mean by domestic tourism. So what is domestic tourism? We are going to see that. Domestic tourism is the tourism within the limits of a country. So the tourism between Maharashtra and when we are talking about Uttarakhand is called as the domestic tourism, where it is within the limits of a country. Can you suggest some more types of domestic tourism? If you want to go on a vacation and it is a part of the domestic tourism, can you suggest some kind of domestic tourism? Yes, going to Kerala. Wonderful. Yes, going to Kerala. Oh, visiting the Meenakshi temple. That's also an awesome answer. Yes, then going to Taj Mahal. Yeah, you remember Taj Mahal looking at the picture of the Taj Mahal in Agra. Yes, yes, you can go to Delhi. You can go to Bangalore. So many places. All this will fall under because it is within the limits of the country. It falls under domestic tourism. Now, there were other opinions that came up that was USA and the children wanted to go to USA. So, what kind of a tourism, when we are talking about what is the distance between a tourism which talks about Maharashtra and USA or talks about India and USA? Yes, wonderful. It's a tourism between two, when you cross the borders of the country or between two countries. When you move from one country to another country, it is called as foreign tourism. Yes, so let's take up the definition of foreign tourism. So, foreign tourism is crossing a country's boundaries and visiting some other country for tourism is called as foreign tourism. So, you have the domestic tourism and foreign tourism. Can you give me some examples for foreign tourism? Yes, you want to visit the great, oh, you want to go to China and visit and look at the Great Wall of China? Wonderful, very nice. Yes, you would like to go to Singapore? Wonderful. I want to go to Dubai. Yeah, I also want to go to Dubai. We just hope and pray that this lockdown is too soon lifted and everything goes back to normalcy and we can visit many places. Yes, wonderful. So we also talked about tourism, and then we spoke about the two types of tourism. So we spoke about tourism, and then we spoke about the different types of tourism, where we spoke about the domestic tourism and we spoke about the foreign tourism. Good, very nice. So when you're going out, what is something that you need to be taking care of? Yeah, you need to take care of your belongings. Also, when you're visiting some important place, what will you pay attention to? Yes, very good. As a very responsible citizen, you're going to safeguard the environment, you're going to safeguard the monument, you're going to take care of the place, protect the country, protect all the monuments, and that's a very good citizenship behavior that you will be showing. Yes, wonderful. So today we have learned about tourism and the different types of tourism in the chapter tourism. Okay, so kindly note down these points. Please write the definition. Yes, good. Yes, please close your notebooks. Okay, so define tourism. Yes, yes, you can answer. Okay, that's the right answer. Visiting places, wonderful. Okay, yes, you can say. Name the two different types of tourism. Very good. Domestic, wonderful. Sit down, good. What is the objective of tourism? Yeah, good answer. Wonderful, very nice. Okay, would you read this? Tourism focus on the specialities of a place. Yes. Can somebody, yes, you give the reason for this. Yes. Very good. Good answer. It focuses on the wonderful answer. Very nice. Sit down. Yes. Compare between domestic and foreign. Yes. Good. Good. Very nice. Wonderful. So your homework for today's lesson that we had is you will make. So your homework is you make a list of 5 places that you would wish to visit. Good. So I hope we are going to go out somewhere for a vacation and enjoy our days and ensure that you all remain safe. Keep yourself healthy, keep yourself protected, and we wish you all the very best. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.